Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced and right under it we've got the wallpaper. Here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from live wallpapers, Google Photos or regular wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So let me pick the wallpapers and as you can see here we've got the preview of the home screen and lock screen. We can tap on it. After getting back we can see that under it we've got some albums also from which we can choose the wallpaper from. They are categorized, for example, to the landscapes, earth or geometric shapes. So let me pick, for example, something from the art, and as you can see here we've got plenty of options to choose from to set as your new wallpaper, and all you have to do is simply tap on the option like to use, and right now we've got the preview of the home screen and also of the lock screen. What's more, we can change position of this device, of this wallpaper, and decide how we want to look it. What's more, after tapping on this info icon, you can check some further details about this wallpaper. So if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is simply tap on the stick icon. And as you can see, right now you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper on, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both, so simply tap on the option like to use. And right now we can go back and check, and as you can see it has been immediately applied to our home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.